Everything in the universe is made up of tiny particles called atoms. Atoms consist of a nucleus surrounded by electrons. But how do these atoms stick together to create everything from the air we breathe to the water we drink? There are three primary types of chemical bonds: ionic, covalent, and metallic. Each plays a crucial role in forming different types of matter.
Why atoms form bonds? To achieve stability, atoms gain, lose or share electrons in order to have 2 or 8 electrons in their valence, shell or outermost orbit, similar to noble gas like neon, argon or krypton. Sodium has 1 electron in its outer shell. Chlorine has 7 electrons in its outer shell. Sodium gives its 1 electron to chlorine. Now, sodium becomes a positive ion, and chlorine becomes a negative ion. These opposite ions attract each other and form sodium chloride, which we use as table salt. This type of bond is called an ionic bond. Now let's understand covalent bond. A covalent bond is formed when two atoms share electrons to complete their outer shell, called the octet. This usually happens between two nonmetals. Instead of transferring electrons, they share them. For example, water, hydrogen has 1 electron. Oxygen has 6 electrons in its outer shell and needs 2 more. So, two hydrogen atoms share their electrons with oxygen. Together they form a water molecule, and the sharing of electrons is called a covalent bond.
Metallic bonds are found in metals where electrons flow freely between atoms. This unique bonding gives metals their characteristic properties like conductivity and malleability. Chemical bonds are essential for the diversity of materials in our world. Without them, we wouldn't have water, diamonds, or even the wires that conduct electricity. Summary: chemical bonds are the forces that hold atoms together, creating the incredible diversity of substances we encounter every day. Understanding these bonds helps us appreciate the complexity and beauty of the world. Thank you for joining us in this journey through chemical bonding. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing science content.